Prepare the tools required for assembling and disassembling. Start disassembling. Remove the guards of coupling and the shaft seal. Dismantle the flushing pipeline of shaft seal. Dismantle the fasteners of shaft seal unit. Take down the bolts from the pump and keep them in storage properly. Dismantle the locating pin from the pump cover. Dismantle the tight nuts and washers from the pump cover. Separate the cover from the pump body with jacking screws, using the lifting device to hang the pump cover up vertically. Dismantle the fasteners of bearing unit. Take down the upper cover of the bearing housing. Provide anti-collision protection for the mechanical seal unit, using the lifting device to lift the pump rotor up vertically. Dismantle the locking nut of the bearing. Dismantle the bearing with auxiliary device or special tools. Dismantle the mechanical seal components. Remove the packing shaft seal assembly. Take down the seal ring. Dismantle the locking nut of impeller. Separate the impeller from the shaft. Place the dismantled parts in orderly queue. Start assembling. Assemble the impeller and shaft according to rotation direction. Install the impeller and threaded sleeve. Install the gland packing unit. Install the mechanical seal unit. Pay attention to keep components cleanly during installing operation. Apply Vaseline or other proper lubricants on the mechanical seal. Install the bearing unit. Apply lubricant to the inner groove of the skeleton oil seal. Lift the rotor and install onto pump body vertically. Note that the spigot of the bearing gland on the drive end is higher than that on the non-drive end. Avoid reversing the installation of the two bearing glands. Apply sealant to the sealing face of the bearing housing. Install the bearing unit. Install the locating pin in place. Then tighten the locking nuts. Adjust the axial distance between the impeller and the seal ring until they are nearly equal. Apply sealing tape and sealant to the sealing face between the pump body and the pump cover. Adjust the compression distance of the mechanical seal. Lift the pump cover vertically onto the pump body. Install and fasten the locating pins. Fix the pump cover fasteners. Tighten the nuts diagonally. Check the locking torque of the nut. Fix the shaft seal unit. Install the flushing pipeline of shaft seal. Install the guards of shaft seal and coupling.